What is an appositive? An appositive is a noun or phrase following a noun that provides further information about the noun it follows. For example, my English professor, comma, an incredible dancer, comma, has more YouTube subscribers than I have Instagram followers. Appositives must be set off by commas if they give us extra information that is not necessary to identify the person, place, or thing that they define. But what makes that information necessary or not necessary? Let's look at two examples. 1. My aunt, comma, Barbara, comma, is coming to our house for Thanksgiving. 2. My Aunt Barbara is coming to our house for Thanksgiving. Both of these examples are grammatically correct. In one of the examples, the person speaking has only one aunt whose name is Barbara. In the other example, the person speaking has multiple aunts, one of whom is named Barbara. Which sentence is spoken by a person that has only one aunt? The sentence that reads, my aunt, comma, Barbara, comma, is coming to our house for Thanksgiving is spoken by a person with one aunt. If we remove the appositive, the meaning does not change. My aunt is coming to our house for Thanksgiving. We still know that the speaker is talking about Barbara because the speaker has no other aunts. However, in the other sentence, we need to specify the name of the aunt because the speaker has more than one aunt. Therefore, we need to not use a comma around our appositive. My aunt, Barbara, is coming to our house for Thanksgiving.
Amanda LeBlanc, Assistant Professor, English Language for Academic Purposes, Montgomery College.
Subscribe to this channel and be on the lookout for new videos.